Good morning, people. I hope you're all doing great. Today I wanted to do a little video for you. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but this is an interesting concept I want to teach you, and hopefully you get a bit of useful information from this little short video. So what this is on my board behind is, hopefully you can see it. It's a little bit faint, but I will explain it, and hopefully you can see it well enough. Okay, so what this is a concept that I just developed. This is a seesaw image. So what I'd like to call that maybe a seesaw of health. Yeah. So what we have on the left side here, we have our lifestyles stresses. So the stress we have during our general life, our day-to-day life. And then on the other side of the seesaw, we have our healthy habits. And the concept is that most of us nowadays, we have a lot of lifestyle stress, a lot of stress from day-to-day situations in our life that are weighing up on this side of a seesaw, and it's outweighing our healthy habits. So examples of lifestyle stress would be, for example, poor sleep. So if our sleep is not good, this is creating a stress onto our body. Or be something else, our diet. If we have a poor diet, and that is creating a stress onto our body. What about if we sit too much? A lot of us are office workers, we're having to sit a lot behind the computers. That sitting is creating a lot of stress onto our bodies. So you can imagine all of these things building up through the days, through the weeks, through the months, and eventually years. So if our optimal health would be either balanced here, or even ideally leaning more towards the healthy habits, then we need to try and improve this. We have to, for example, take the rocks of lifestyle stress from this side off and add more rocks or weight or emphasis onto the healthy habits side. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. So for example, on the healthy habits, some examples. What could they be? Exercising regularly. Yeah, so exercising regularly, eating a good diet. What else would be a great examples? Regular chiropractic care. Yeah, we have a lot of people coming into the clinics who have regular chiropractic adjustments. That could be once a week, it could be once a month, it could be once every 6 weeks, but something regular is going to help offset the stresses from the normal everyday lifestyle. Because some of these stresses in here, they will always be there. We can't have necessarily a perfect lifestyle, yeah? So it's unfeasible, it's unrealistic to get a perfect lifestyle. But what we can try and do is add more of the healthy habits, yeah? So get your concept, enjoy the concept, and think about that concept of what can I do to help balance this seesaw, okay? At the moment in my life, on the day-to-day, week-to-week, how much of a lifestyle stress I have on here. What can I decrease? What can I remove completely? What can I do on the healthy habits side? What can I add? Can I go see a chiropractor regularly? Can I go to the gym more often? Can I do more walks? Can I improve my diet? Can I see a therapist if I have a lot of emotional stress? Is there something I can fix in there? So this concept is really powerful if you understand how you can empower yourself to improve your general lifestyle. Because the problem I see with people coming into my clinic over the last 15 years is that their seesaw of health is completely skewed, meaning that they've not paid enough attention to removing the lifestyle stress and haven't been adding enough healthy habits, and their body and their health has been skewed like this, too much lifestyle stress, for sometimes 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So imagine that accumulation of problems that can develop within our body when it's been out of position for that long. So I hope this has been useful for you. I found it a very interesting concept, and visually, if you're a visual learner like me, this is something that could really stick in your mind. So have a little think. It's something that you can do yourself today. Maybe write a list of the stuff that you think that you've got causing a lot of your lifestyle stress. What are your healthy habits? Can you remove some of these or decrease some of these? Can you add more onto here? Let me know in the comments. I'll be interested to hear from you. And if it's been helpful, give me a thumbs up, give it a share, and I'm here to help. All right, thanks very much. Have a great day.